Guys, it's Logan, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Into the Dead. Yeah, alright. Yo, what's up? Okay, my brightness is down. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's go tilt. Okay, yeah. Okay, alright, not that. Oh, hey, bud. Nope, don't touch me. Alright. Let's run, yo. Oh, hit moves. Oh! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're all chill. Okay, cancer, Jesus. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, didn't know it was a family reunion. Okay, alrighty then. Okay. Oh my God. My dude can run fast. Jeez. Okay, yeah, yeet. Oh my. Dang, there's a lot of people. Yo, chill. Are you okay? Run. It sounds like I'm saying Ron. Ramen noodles. Okay, why am I saying that? Okay, left. No, that was right. No, okay. No, don't make me do this, corn maze. No. I can't see. Oh, he can jump. Okay, I thought this whole entire time I was avoiding the bear. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, there's a car. Can you get in the car? Oh, I don't even know. Okay, run. Okay, no, okay. All right, we're good. Doing good. Doing fine. Oh, okay. Hoi. No. 9. Don't touch me. Okay, he touched me. I don't like that. That's sexual assault. Oh! Woo! I'm dead. Oh, that was... Oh. Hey, it's your boy. Okay, next. Continue. Sweet. Can I... okay, we can buy something. Weapons. All for real money. Are you seriously? Oh! Okay, so you have to buy these with real... Oh, no, okay, I see fast unlock. Alright, done. Sure, notifications are amazing. Oh, wow, okay, no. Yeah, but we're gonna get that, and... Okay, yeah, alright, I think this is gonna work. Oh, you have to use money for it. Okay, whatever. Okay, alright. Let's go! Freaking ready now. You want some? Okay, no zombie there. You want some zombie? You want some? Oh, okay, they don't die first shot. That's alright. There's a crate right there. Nice. Hey. Okay, this is gonna be a piece of cake. Get the crate. Oh, I missed the crate. Oh, one bullet left. Way to go, doggy. Way to go, doggo. Hurl it, my dude. Oh, jeez. Eat. Oh, hit moves. I'm gonna miss that crate. Get it. Good dog. Good doggo. Oh, he threw the gun. Are you retarded? This dude actually threw his gun. Are you actually retarded? Excuse me, sir. Are you autistic? Mr. Doggo. Mr. Doggo, what are you doing? No! Oh, shoot the gun! Shoot! Oh! I spent so much money, but got nowhere near as much money as I wanted. Yo, I got a chainsaw. Hey! I'm gonna use this chainsaw. That just made me sad. Alright, let's get it. Round 3. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yo, let's go! Want some? Want some? Go get it! Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeet! Oh! Okay, you want some? You want some, Mary? Want some? Yeet, you thought. Hey, back to max ammo. Want some? Oh! You want some too? Huh? You wanna get it? Oh! Oh, this is awesome. Let's run. Let's jump. Hey, yeah! Doggo, what are you doing? Oh, you want some? I'm gonna cut straight through you! Jeez! Holy crap! Nice job, Doggo! Doggo! Oh, there's a crate over there. There's a crate over there. Nope, nope, nope. Got it. No one's gonna stop me in my path now. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Alright, alrighty then. Jeez. Alright, let's go. Come on, Doggo. No! Oh, I keep missing the car every time. I can get it. No, I can't. Good job, Doggo. Run, Doggo. No, no! 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 Oh! Oh, Doggo! No! Doggo! Oh my God, 777. Thank God it wasn't the number. At least it wasn't 666. Yo, let's go. Did I get the shotgun? I got the freaking shotgun. Oh my God, yes. Should I use the shotgun or the chainsaw? You know what? We're gonna use it. We're gonna use the shotgun. He gave me the freaking pistol. Look at this dude. Oh my God. You know what? No, you can't shoot over there. You can shoot in front of you. Let's run, Doggo. I'm staying behind the Doggo. Doggo. Alright, nice. Oh. Oh, don't touch me. Okay, good. Oh, yes! Holy crap. Let's go. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Let's go. Okay, I think the car is more on this side. You can even use cars. I don't even think you can. Oh, there's another crate. Let's get that. Oh, it's the chainsaw. Oh! Crap. I can't see the car. I don't know if the car's out here, though. Yes! Cleared the path for me. Good job, Doggo. Oh! Okay. Damn, my Doggo's going ham over here. Ouch. Ouch. Oh, yo, we're in the Slender Forest. Yeah, okay. Ouch. Ouch. I ran right through the tree. No, I missed it. Oh, there's another crate up here. I got it. Got it. Doggo, what are you doing? Dude. Bro, I'm almost out of ammo and I'm gonna die. Okay, jump. Yep. Let's go, doggo. Can I get in the tractor? Get in the tractor. You can't get in the tractor! You can't get in the tractor! Oh, no! Oh! Holy crap. Okay, I think I see the tactic here. No, I don't see the tactic at all. High score. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, sweet. Now, what do I do now? Use a... Get that out of here. Okay, what can I buy? Let's see. Zombies. Oh, it's World War II. I didn't see that. No, the revolver. Oh, my... What? Oh, there's grenades. Yo, there's grenades. Yo, there's grenades. Yo, there's grenades. Yo, there's grenades. Alright, well, one mission is to do this whole entire thing, so we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, whoops. I didn't see that. Holy crap, we started out with more ammo. I didn't even see that one perk. I guess I just I was stupid and didn't look at it. Holy. Okay. Can I get through between these poles? Nope. No, I can't. Jesus. Oh my god, I'm dying. Yeah, I'm dead. I fell over. Wow. Alright, that's just embarrassing. I need to complete that set so I get a new gun. Yes! Alright. That's all I get. Oh my god. Alright. I think I'm going to end it here, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like this game, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you want me to play any more games. But this was fun. I think I'm going to have a lot more fun with this. So, but until next time, Logan, out.